Algorithms? Have you heard about them but you are not exactly sure what they are? So stick around. In this video I'm gonna tell you what are algorithms and why should you learn them. Alright, so an algorithm is a step-by-step instruction that we need in order to complete the task. Let's say, for example, a real-life example. You pick up a basket with the laundry that you have, with the clothes that you just washed, and you want to put them away on your drawers, on your wardrobe. So you take one clothes and, for example, if it's gym clothes or sports clothes, it goes into the bottom drawer. Else, it goes on the top drawer. So basically, as you can see, there is a logical if-else statement in here. And algorithms can be much more complex than this. It could be for sorting, things like, for example, if you buy Udemy courses and you want to sort them out by the date that you bought them, or by topic. It could be about web development, web design. It's a huge topic. So as you can see, algorithms are everywhere. So these kind of algorithms are used around by many companies, especially the big ones like Facebook, Microsoft. When they are interviewing candidates, they go with these kind of algorithms, with these kind of challenges in a whiteboard, and the candidates, they have to solve it. And the good thing is you can use any language that you want, for example JavaScript, C#, C++, anything basically. What's important is your logic behind it. And you have to make sure, of course, that you talk through with someone who is interviewing you. You have to talk out loud, think out loud, to say what are you thinking and how can you solve this problem. Because basically for each algorithm, there are many different solutions, okay? For example, a junior developer for sure is going to write a lot of code to solve one of these challenges, and maybe a senior developer with 10-20 years of experience is going to write just a little bit of code and something really nice and clean. But yeah, there is one, I'm going to show you now in here on my computer, one of them that is really popular. Is called the FizzBuzz. So let's go just in here quickly. Alright guys, let's start with this FizzBuzz that I just talked about. Is a really popular algorithm, and basically what you have to do in this algorithm challenge is loop through the numbers from 1 to 100, just like it says in here. I'm gonna try to do a bit more zoom in here so you can see better. Okay, so loop through the numbers from 1 to 100, so we will use this for loop. And basically what you want to do is, if a number is multiple of 3, it's going to log into the console fizz. If the number is multiple of 5, it's going to log buzz, okay? Else, it's going to log in here the number itself. So for example, look in here, this is the answer. Of course, this is already done, okay? If they show you this kind of challenge, you need to think and see how you can solve it. So let's say, for example, look in here, number 1 is not the multiple of 3 or 5, so it's gonna log the 1. 2 is the same. 3, so 3 is multiple of 3, so it's gonna log fizz. Look in here. 4 is not multiple of 3 or 5, so it's gonna log this. And then we have 5 because we have in here is multiple of 5, so it's gonna log buzz, and so on. It's gonna go until 100, okay? So this is one of the algorithms that is used widely, very popular. So this is just for you to start out. And like I said, these kind of algorithms, there are much more complicated ones, okay? They are used in interviews for Google, for Microsoft, Amazon, all these kind of things. And that's why I found this website in here called Algo Expert. I'm gonna put the link in the description, okay? Go to algoexpert.io, just check it out, you know? You don't have to buy anything, just check it. But if you want to actually, you know, start preparing yourself with a lot of different algorithm challenges for some kind of interviews that you could have, in this website basically they have around 70 of the best ones. And the good thing in here is that, look, they have, I'm going to show you in here, they have a video explanation of each different algorithms, okay? and you can solve them in JavaScript, Python, C++, Java, and Go. You can use any of these languages to solve. It's almost like this kind of interactive coding panels that you have like in Code Academy if you ever tried it. So you can solve it. They also give you some tips, okay, if you feel like you are stuck. There is some options to give you some tips, and in the end, of course, you can watch the video of the explanation that they have. Sometimes they even give you different solutions, okay? And the good thing is, look, if you want to try this out, you can buy these. Basically, look, this is a one-time purchase of $70, but if you use my code Telmo, okay, if you put in here in this promotion code Telmo like this, okay, in here you get like 30% off. Basically, you can buy it using this code. Is like 30% off. It's gonna be like $50 or less than that. Or you can just like subscribe, you know, if you don't want to put too much money on it, for $25 a month, and you can cancel at any time. I would probably go with this one, because if you buy it, it will give you access for a full year, okay? A full year for this price is nothing. It's gonna be like $50, like I said, if you use my code. But that's it, guys. You know, this is one of the greatest things. I think I never saw any kind of website like this one that they just like cover a lot of different algorithm challenges. Look, they even have interview questions and a lot of different things in here. If you want to, you know, practice more of these, if you want to get ready for interviews, I highly recommend this one. Just give it a try if you feel like it. Alright, guys, so I hope you like this video about what are algorithms and if you should practice them. And look at this, the more you practice, even in your day-to-day life, like if you are working as a web developer or if you are trying to solve these in some kind of interviews, you'll get really prepared. Trust me, the more you practice, the more different cases you see, I bet you will become even a better developer with these kind of things. Alright, guys, that's it for this video. I hope you like it. I hope you could understand a little bit more what are algorithms and how can you practice them in here. I think there are much more sources, but this is one of the good ones that I wanted to show you. And that's it, guys. Make sure you click the link on the description for algoexpert.io/Telmo and use my code, promo code Telmo, of course. That's it, guys. I'll see you in the next one.